baby. She's so cute. She has clothes that is pink, purple, and purple flowers, green leaves. And look all she has. I think this is Checkups. Ooh, so cool. She even had this. Now, and let's look behind. Behind, it shows all the things outside, and also shows how she looks like, and baby's first checkup. And now let's open it. It's my favorite part, opening it. Okay, now I'm gonna open this. Let's put this here. Whoa, I'm so excited. Let's pull it out. All right. Down here, and then. Yes, just like a laptop. The hand is the only part that is kind of made of plastic. And her face, Now let's open these. Look at this bag. Oh, it looks like a real bag. And all these, opening stuff. And also, there's gonna be a back right here. All right. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff. Now, oh, the baby's finally waking up. Oh, she's so cute and adorable. Whoa, look. She has so cute. Whoa, her outfit goes with her hat, and whenever the hat flies off, it still connects with the outfit so it won't blow away. I'm gonna check how this shirt looks like. Whoa, she even have an inside shirt, so she could be warm and stuff. And go check the hat. Let's move her aside so we can get her soft material. Oh wow, we're going to take these tissues. It's so cute. Okay, it has like pink. It looks so cool. Okay, let's put it right here aside. And this, it looks like, let's see, Gentle Baby Lotion. This is lotion for babies. It looks so cute and cool. Like, it looks like so like mini lotion. And then we got some bandage. And this is Cutie Kids bandage. And then there's like more bandage in here. Ooh, the stickers. Let's take it off. Get the stickers off. Get the bandage. Take the bandage off. There we go. Look at this bandage. Let's try one. Let's see if it fits. Oh. Let's put it here. Ooh, perfect. It fits. Now, you know what? We can also put bandage in here, and then it could be a bandage box. All right. Let's put these bandage right here. Next, we're gonna get some more. Like, oh wow, it's applesauce, so the baby could eat. Like the baby could eat applesauce. For the baby, oh, it's so cute. It could open like a handle, like an actual one. Whoa. Okay, I'm holding it. Let's try it. Okay. There we go. It's opened. Look at that. It's so cool, right? It's like, whoa, look at this. It's pink, purple, heart, pink. Let me try. Whoa, it's so big and fit. And now let's see. Oh, it perfectly matches. Look how cute it is. Next is the bag. Oh, let's open this one first. I want to open this one to see. Oh, this is where you check the ears. Like, look, you check the ears. Remember when you have a doctor appointment, they always check your ears to see if it's all right. And next is, this looks like you're checking ear. This looks like checking the mouth. Yeah, looks like so. Next is opening this. A lot of kids are scared of this. Okay, this This is really good. Okay, next step is opening the bag. Whoa, ta-da! The bag! And inside the bag is paper, so we could protect the bag. Whoa, look at that bag. It looks so real. Ta-da! Hey guys, today I'll be doing some checkup. Right here, perfect spot. Hi, I'm gonna be checking up you. Okay, first, what's happening here? Stand up and then let me hear your heart. Very good heartbeat. Alright, you can lay down right now. What's the next thing? I'm gonna put this on. What happened? Alright, next is, maybe you don't need band-aids. Just a moment. Oh yeah, we got checkup. First, we're gonna check the ear. Alright, it's very good. Okay, now the next ear. And let's check. Next, we're going to check the eyes and the mouth. Very good. Check the nose and the eyes. All right, this is done. Next step is band-aids. I'm so excited. Put the band-aids on the hand. It's really nice to have a band-aid. Next, we're going to see her teeth, if she's all right with her teeth. Very good. Babies always have to have snack time. We gotta get this crackers and applesauce. Wait, before giving her crackers, we gotta check if the crackers are really clean. Okay, first we gotta pull some stuff on it so we can see if it's clean or not. Very clean. Okay, now you can eat your crackers. Wait, before eating crackers, she had to drink some milk first. Now we're gonna get some utensils to eat. Okay, let's just give it to her. Yummy cracker! She loves cracker. And now she can have applesauce. Now let's give her some water. Wait, let's see if this can open. No, it can't open. Okay, your checkup's done.